Me and your sister under a tree. Now she's busy fondling me. I said no, I'm a consent king. Ngekungenze lutho, I'll touch your thing. I'm joking.
Touch what thing? Whose thing? We need to specify.
Igodo.
We're gonna be reacting
Top
to
stuff.
We're gonna be reacting to
Travis Scott.
Jesus Christ,
Bad
I need
Bunny.
a better choice in friends. Fuck. Fuck. But I
Good
need
guys.
to have better choices.
Ipuku Nkosi yami. Wozani zokulobola? Wozani? Travis Scott, Bad Bunny, The Weeknd, K-pop. Was that's the name of the song? Why would you,
Yeah, I
okay.
think that's the name of the. Shout out to The Weeknd for that massive tour he just did.
I didn't know.
He just proved that he's not the highest grossing one.
Ever.
I think he just
Highest grossing
I think he just
in
replaced Michael
R&B.
Jackson.
Hey, how much? 300 million?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I bought that fucking house.
Yeah, he's doing amazing for himself.
Which is funny because
He just proved that he's Canada's greatest export. So yeah, it's not Drake. It's not fuck Drake. Fuck Justin Bieber.
Justin can't be in the conversation anymore.
No, he can. He can.
Yeah, he can be, but
can.
Drake easily supersedes Justin just based off consistency.
No, it's because he turned to Jesus. He realized being black is not cool.
Biggie, you do push-ups and shit in the street.
Yeah, he realized that being black is not really
That shit is hard.
ideal thing.
You
Being
think it's cool
black-
because you want swag.
Being black and sagging your pants like
Oh,
you can't escape the ops like that. So I understand why he did it. Yeah.
But it's funny with the whole thing, Joe Busho, because the Weeknd's track haven't been as big as they were before. He was bigger before than he is now, but it's surprising though.
Now he's just now he's still as attention grabbing. It's like the two dogs fucking effect. The two dogs fucking on
I
the side
hate
of
this
the
fucking
road.
analogy. As if
You are
Let's go back to Range Rover for every time I've heard him say this shit. Go back to Range Rover because
Yeah, but think about it like this. It's now the two dogs fucking effect. The two dogs fucking on the side of the road. You're gonna look when you see that. It's attention grabbing, but it's not really much. But you are gonna look. So it's that effect.
Switch. Yeah. Move that shit out here. You full off on shit.
But what I will say about Travis, out of all of the trap guys, he's probably the most versatile in terms of sounds.
Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Bad Bunny too. Like he's been doing
His success is insane.
Yeah, he's
I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah. He's also been doing amazing things on wrestling. Like
Oh yeah, I saw that.
yeah, he's been doing amazing things. Yeah. Shout out to him. I like his song Booker T.
I don't know.
It's a very catchy song.
Sis. Ayikho into ecasula nje ngokusebenzisa idatha lakho maqeda ubona amantombazana anganazi.
The song is not gelling.
Yeah,
It
the
feels like
energies,
it
yeah.
feels like they
It sounds like you see one of those World Cup type of songs. Those We Are the World. We recorded this shit in 18 different studios. Yeah, it has that effect. Like,
Yeah, but this sounds like a song for Bad Bunny. Like it literally sounds like a Bad Bunny song. I don't know
Yeah.
what Travis Scott was doing in this song. He sounds like a featured artist.
I think this is probably a soundtrack for something. It must be.
It better be for
It must be.
the way that they made an abortion out of this beat. It has to be.
Nah, I'm pretty sure it's a.
I wonder what
it's a
The Weeknd
soundtrack.
is going to say. Abel! My birthday sharer. We share the same birthday, by the way. Okay, sorry.
Into ezokutshela ngama-birthday.
TMI.
This has to be the worst place you can record it, but since it's a mansion, bazothi is broke. But what kind of fucking acoustics are these? Ule-stock lo baba, umdala kangaka.
Whoever took Travis Scott to wherever they took him and taught him how to do that dance that he's been doing throughout this video, that whole, is it samba or whatever?
Yeah.
That whole dance, whoever taught him how to do it and inspired him to feature Bad Bunny
The song really
and
sounds
The
forced.
Weeknd to make this abortion of a song.
This track sounds forced.
Like something needs to happen to them.
Because the beat it's okay, I understand, but like the
No,
vibe
it's
of
not
it,
for
it
them.
sounds
It's
forced.
not for them.
They should have got different artists on
They
the song.
did not work on this in the same studio.
Yeah.
They did not. Or in the same year. They did not work on this in the
They're
same
in
year.
different stages of their lives. One person was going through a breakup, one was dealing with drugs. Something is wrong here. The energy of the song, like, it just does not gel the way it should. Is that Scissor?
It is, apparently. So this is how she's been fucking up her career.
Hey, all of a sudden sekapakile, I saw pictures of like ize ngako ithathapi noma sekuthiwa hibernator ayikho into enje.
It's because we love our doctors. They give you.
Yaphamuka ithumbu la ibhizinisi impompa ngento engazazi.
I'm starting to feel like this guy is obsessed with white women.
He is.
So much as and none of that as is black.
Doesn't make sense.
Like,
It's
where am
off
I-
brand.
Where are my soul sisters?
Where are you stealing this thing?
The people who have ass.
Uthi
Where are
Dr.
they?
Uma. Extra thick in the thighs. Bapi. Where baba?
Don't tell me Pharrell.
If
had-
Pharrell produced this shit,
if
this is the
Pharrell
worst
had
thing he
something
produced.
to do with this
This is the
abortion,
worst thing he
I
produced.
swear to God, something needs like Pharrell. stick
Ake
to
lana
making
amasimba
handbags.
okudaya ekhanda na 50. Umdala.
Yeah, stop dyeing your head.
You're old, dude. Come on.
Yeah,
You
it's
can't.
weird.
You can't be the old guy.
That shit
looking
is
like the young
natural.
guy.
That shit will be natural. Will come natural to you.
You can't be an old guy looking like the young guy.
And if you had something to do, if you lowered your standards to,
No, let me
This
speak on
shit.
this track too. In a matter of fact, let's see who produces.
Pharrell, if you had something to do with this, I swear to
what's the name of
God.
this thing? K-pop.
I mean, I get why
It's
they featured Bad Bunny. It's more of his type of beat, and he's a star. The Weeknd,
K-pop.
I get it because he's a star. Travis Scott, I get it because he just came out of that jail stint that he was facing.
Jail.
No, isn't he? He helped a few kids kill other kids.
What? Oh, that the concert.
That whole concert thing.
Murderous music.
Murderous music.
That'd be a dope name for a label. Murderous
He
music.
could have called his album Rage. He called it K-pop.
Yeah, let's see.
His new
Epic
album is-
Records.
This is K-pop.
Okay,
Bruh.
no, Pharrell is not on this thing. It's Boy Wonder, on other people.
Also, Boy Wonder is the one who's supposed to be sentencing to death just for his involvement.
Yeah, nah, Pharrell's not there. Hey!
Whoa! The visual.
Oh,
features.
visual.
Okay.
Okay. Hey!
Oof.
I
still love Pharrell, dude.
Pharrell's great. That's why I'm like,
Pharrell,
did this thing.
Don't do this thing again. Come on, bro.
You should have said you've got a runny time. You don't even appear in the
You should
video.
have said you have kids. You have a lot to lose. You should have said you have a lot to lose.
Oh. And then?
Dog, this video is so uninspiring.
Thing is, there was
Jesus
too much of a
Who
budget with no idea.
No.
Who directed this video?
Okay, are we sending them to their death?
Wait. Music video released. Yeah. Fusak.
Even the person who directed this music video doesn't want to take credit for it.
Bad Bunny. I can't see who directed this video.
It's probably Travis. You know when an artist directs their own music video,
Music video, yeah.
it becomes a masturbatory project.
We'll see the credits.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's take credit.
How's it bad?
Nope. They
They're
won't.
ashamed of this.
Oh, okay.
You're not even proud.
Let me see it at the beginning.
You sick fuck.
Who's gonna take credit for this abortion? I wanna know.
No, man, you can read the credits now on the bio.
No, I want you to put it. Don't hide them
not
in
there.
the bio.
It's not
Don't
there.
hide them in the bio.
It's not there. It's not written.
So no one took credit for this. Okay. You're not
Must be in the
slick, bro.
bio. I don't care.
Directed. I told you he directed it himself. I told you he directed himself. He directed it himself. I told you he directed it himself.
This DIY thing is not working, eh?
This nigga. Look at what you did.
I blame Kanye for dumb things like this. Because Kanye made it cool to do shit himself, and everybody was like, yeah, me too.
Like you brought poor Bad Bunny into this. You brought him into this. The Weeknd
Even
was,
that thing of where it's Bad Bunny's verse and it keeps on going dark and like I didn't understand the
that's what I'm saying.
that effect. It did
They
not make
did
sense.
not record this song in the same year or in the same decade. They did not shoot the music video in the same week.
It's prehistoric.
Yeah, they did not shoot those video in the same week. In fact, I saw a dinosaur somewhere there. We need to address that dinosaur. But no,
Guys,
y'all
come on.
need no,
Guys,
no.
come on.
And like the only excuse I'd accept is that after that whole stadium stampede thing,
Yeah.
the only thing I can accept right now
Is that
if
why this stadium is
he's
empty?
blackballed. Oh yeah, they couldn't trust him. They were like,
Don't give me our kids. Don't give me our kids.
they will shoot a music video alone. You will give you 5 people to shoot it with.
They're all going to be
You,
tapped.
you motherfuckers should divide the camera amongst yourselves.
Everyone in this video is gonna stand 300 meters apart to avoid any bad decisions.
Nah, bro, like, I get it now, Uti. Why?
Nah, this video is not the one.
This song is not the one. What is this?
Yeah, the track too.
What is this? I'm glad, like, I'm glad it's The Weeknd because The Weeknd has been in his own lane lately, where he does like songs, like he shamelessly makes certain songs. But Bad Bunny, why?
Yeah, because Bad
Why?
Bunny has hits on hits.
Like
Oh,
why?
my
And Bad
goodness.
Bunny is on a good run. Why? Like why? Like the only reason I tell you is if they offered him a citizenship. That's the only thing I can accept.
They're like,
Or he's gonna get deported. This nigga's good at Trump. Remember that shit?
Bad Bunny.
No, Travis
Travis.
Scott. He's good.
Oh.
They probably were gonna be like, they're gonna deport him. Like, me no speak English. Yes, senor. I will perform, senor. Yes, senor. But yeah, there was Travis Scott, Bad Bunny, The Weeknd, K-pop. Bye. We're done. Mwah.
Like, subscribe.
Yes, and especially
Subscribe.
comment on my friend's sweater or hoodie.
It's a hoodie.
Yes, comment on his hoodie. Advise him on how he can improve his style, his fashion sense.
So
Because-
improve phezu
Oh my
kodadewenu.
God. Oh my God, I don't know what's happening right
So
now.
wenza umalume qhubeka ningijwayele kabi ngiyadlala yeah, subscribe, suggest videos we can react
Yeah.
to, and tata.
Bye bye.